Now, the next question which I want to arise is that what if I want to know that there is a traffic going to my net flow collector or not? I want to know, I want to do a troubleshooting. So before doing anything, whether to come to an conclusion that my net flow collector is not working properly, I want to check whether the net flow collector is receiving the traffic or not. So before you do the troubleshooting, any of the troubleshooting, make sure that you check whether the traffic is received by the net flow collector or not. Right. So to go that one, go to the centralized management again, go to the net flow collector and click on view appliance statistics. Log in into that one. Save admin. Let's go 1, 2, 3 and click on login. So once you log in, I think in the configuration, manage user support. Yep, in the support you do have a packet capture. See that capture, just give a name, any name. Like I will get like example 1. Host IP address will be 172.168.1.13 maybe. I'm using number 12, sorry. That is my net flow collector. So number 12, port any. Minimum duration is 5 minutes. So Cisco recommend minimum duration is 5 minutes, but in the production it should be at least 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. I just want to start the capture now. Now, sorry, the host cannot be local. Okay. I will do one thing. I will go to my map PC. Let me see whether I am able to ping to one of my servers, that is ping 172.16.20.1. Yep, I'm able to ping. So I will just initiate the continuous ping again. And I will go back to my management and I will say that it should be 20.1. I want to capture the traffic which is going to my server, that is 20.1. This one.
Where are you capturing it from? What device are you logging to?
This one, map PC. I've initiated the traffic from my map PC to this one. The ping,
Okay.
continuous ping.
Yeah. What device is this? Where's your flow collector located?
Flow collector is in the management plane. Because whenever the traffic is being initiated, let me start the capture first. I've started the capture now. My flow collector is located in the management, but who is sending the traffic to him? By router, right? My router is sending the traffic to him. He is capturing the traffic and he is sending the router to my net flow collector. So it doesn't matter where there is it can be anywhere on your network, the net flow collector. The only thing is that you should have a reachability. That's it.
Okay.
So what the traffic is being initiated from my map PC, but who is collecting the traffic? My router is collecting the traffic and sending to my net flow collector. So net flow collector is receiving the traffic. So that's why I'm only just making sure before I start doing any troubleshooting, I want to make sure that is my net flow collector receiving traffic from my exporters or not? That's what I want to confirm before I do any troubleshooting or look into further details. If I encounter any problem, I just want to make sure that I am able to receive, net flow collector is able to receive the traffic from my edge router or not. So that's why I've initiated the traffic capture and you see the duration 70 seconds. So let it happen until 300 seconds. Okay, and now you see that it is duration is 300. And if I go back to my PC, still the ping is going on, I think. Or
yeah, you have in packet capture. So
now the thing is that the only issue is that is you see that I'm able to receive the traffic, that's for sure. But when I try to capture the traffic, the file size, you see that 24 bytes. So this means this is an empty packet. If it is, you see that the file size is 24 bytes, that means it is an empty packet. So that's why 300 seconds, that is, if I run for 5 minutes, still not enough. So you need to run at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. So
Can we
this is
open the app and see if it shows anything at all?
yeah. If you once it
Where
if
is
you
it
see that
capture
the
one?
yep, just click on this one and it should download the file, Wireshark file. So if you click on open, it will open in the Wireshark. But since it is 24 bytes, so it will be an empty packet, so nothing, no data will be over there. But as you remember that I have already initiated the traffic before I capture, but still, see that if there is any traffic, it will be showing up over here. So at least
Why
you
is it
need
not
to,
showing? Is it because it's ICMP or what?
yeah, it's not ICMP, but at least I said that you need to run at least 30 minutes. You need to have a different
That's
traffic. Like I'm only running ICMP, but you should be running the HTTP traffic and all those things so that actually it can capture the traffic.
that doesn't make sense.
Yes.
That's
Now in the
can do.
virtualization, in the virtualization, it can happen anything. So that's why we do not prefer virtualization in these things. Whenever you are going for virtualization in the productions, you have a lot of traffic coming in. It's not like in a lab where you just have a 10 bytes or 20 bytes of traffic. No. In the production, you do have
So
a traffic going on with the HTTP, HTTPS on a different ports, UDP traffic, DNS traffic, and all those things.
so I have a question for you.
Yes.
At my work for the IPS, the 2100,
Yeah.
they asking me if they should buy the physical appliance or the virtual appliance.
Virtual appliance is also good. There is no problem with that one. But the in the production, the virtual appliance is like continuously running. In my lab, I'm stopping and running, stopping and running, stopping and running. So when you stop and run in the virtualization, that's where you will have a trouble over there. So you will not get the output exactly as you expected. Now the reason it can be, there can be many reasons over here because of my time, because my stealth watch and my time does not match in the first place. But still, if I go back to my insight and I can see some traffic is being generated. But the only issue over here is now that I'm able to detect the traffic, but it is like after 20 minutes or 30 minutes or maybe 15 minutes in my lab. See that UDP, and it should be somewhere saying that you see that this is still the previous data because I have generated ICMP a lot of traffic, and you see that I don't see the ICMP as much as very small amount of. But since I started my lab, I have done only ICMP traffic. There is no HTTP traffic or HTTPS. Still, this is the old data. It's not a new data. So it does take a time to detect that one and show you the results. That's the only con of the stealth watch.